Look at this bag. This bag is from 2003, and the price of this bag is $39,000. Yeah, the price of this bag is
12,000. Oh, wow.
You guys
Wow.
do see it?
Wow. Okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
So
wow.
these bags are even better than some stocks.
With Maria Anderson, long-time Bitcoin investor, advocate, and she believes in it so much. So I want to start off with this. It's nice to meet someone who's in the stock market and then you transitioned also into cryptocurrencies. I want to start off with, why did you like investing in stocks?
Well, actually, I don't like it
You
anymore
don't?
because it's boring for me.
Okay.
But anyway, I like it.
Okay.
As for diversification,
Okay,
guys, we
okay.
all need diversification.
Okay.
I love stock market. I love real estate.
Okay.
I love actual gold, diamonds, also, and of course, crypto, Bitcoin,
Okay.
and others, meme coins.
Before you entered into cryptocurrencies, how did you pick the stocks that you like? And I don't know if you want to encourage people, what was your most memorable investment also in the stock market?
Oh, you know, I was investing in stocks that I personally use in my maybe everyday basis.
Okay.
First of all, of course, it was Apple stock
Okay.
because I'm Apple person.
Okay, okay.
Tesla because I love Tesla and all those pelotons. You
Okay,
remember
yeah,
that?
yeah.
Yeah, I
Okay,
was
okay.
using it. That's why I wasn't. So I was investing in that stuff that I personally use and that I understand because this is what important. I think people should invest only in that stuff that they really understand
Okay.
and know how it works.
Okay.
Like, not that stuff that YouTubers or somebody told.
Okay. I thought you were gonna say Louis Vuitton, LV.
Yeah, also that I forgot the ticker for it. You know this Louis Vuitton company.
Yeah. And what's interesting, they're not just LV; they have so much
So
under that
much.
company as well. And the
Luxury
yeah,
stuff.
yeah, yeah. You like it because you use it also, or you like it because it's a very popular brand?
No, I love it because I just love the quality. I
Okay.
love shopping. I
Okay.
love this stuff. What else can I buy? I can buy Zara, but my business style. Yeah, that's why I love it. That's why I'm investing in it also. And not only in stock. I have a bunch of Louis Vuitton bags that I also think are good investment for ladies.
Have you seen bags outperform the stock market? Did you see it appreciate faster?
Well, sometimes we see such stuff.
Okay.
Because, for example, if you own like Louis Vuitton bag
Okay.
for 10 years and it is a bag from very famous, very popular collection, collaboration between Louis Vuitton and other artists, this bag can go 10x after.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that.
Yeah, 10x. Like this bag, this is an example.
Okay.
This is a Louis Vuitton bag.
Okay.
Collaboration with Yayoi Kusama,
Okay.
Japanese artist
Okay.
who is 94 years old
Okay.
now.
Okay.
So she collaborated with Louis Vuitton using these different ornaments
Okay.
here.
Okay.
And this bag, 2,500, how you call it?
Okay.
$2,500.
Okay.
And maybe after 10 years, it will cost $25,000
Okay.
because it's like exclusive.
Okay.
It's like they will never do the same bags
Okay.
in 10 years.
How long have you held on to that bag already?
This one is quite new. This
Okay.
one is like a couple of months because
Okay.
it's a new collection.
Okay, okay. But how does it work? Like for watches, you have to maintain it also at such a level? Because if you use it,
Yeah, you can use it.
does the value
Let
change
me
also?
actually show you
Okay.
something. Yeah, the price of this bag is
12,000.
12,000.
Oh, wow,
You guys
wow.
can see it.
Wow. Okay. Wow.
So
wow.
these bags are even better than some stocks.
Okay.
Look at this bag. This bag is from 2003
Okay.
and the price of this bag is $39,000.
Wow. Wow.
Back then, the price
Wow.
was maybe a couple of
Okay.
$1,000.
Is your strategy, do you buy two, use one, and then store one? Is that a good?
No, actually these bags are okay even
Okay.
if you use them.
Okay, okay.
If you like take care of them,
Okay.
don't spill coffee on
Okay,
inside,
okay.
and that's it.
Okay.
But I'm not going to sell.
Oh, yeah.
That's what I love.
That-
that's
that-
what I collect.
Diamond hands. Okay.
Yeah, diamond hands and bags.
And I think what's nice about bags is it's not like the stock market that it goes down, up and down, up
You
and
can
down,
use
up and
it.
down. Okay. My question is this, going back to stocks. You bought stocks that you like, Apple, Tesla, but what do you do when the prices are down? Do you get scared? Do you also sell at a loss, or do you buy more? What's your $1 million
Yeah,
strategy?
I'm actually buying more because I'm not that person who invests all her money into any investment. I'm investing only that amount of money that I'm not afraid to lose.
Okay, okay.
That's it.
What was like a mistake that you made also that because of that mistake you became a better investor? Because what's interesting, you see a lot of people talk about how good they are, what are their
nobody talks about mistakes.
what are their best practices, or they made this much money. But if you look at even Warren Buffett, Bill Gates, Mark Zuckerberg, they're very good at what they do, but they had their share of mistakes also. And people always see how good they are, but not the journey to how they became good. What was your memorable either mistake or something very, very painful that made you a very, very good investor?
Well, I'm a calm person. I would never feel very much pain because of my investments.
Okay.
But of course, I had some times, difficult times, especially when I invested in a lot of scam crypto projects, and I didn't know that they are scams. We all have such times, I believe.
How do you feel after when you lose money? Do you easily get over it, or is it something that kind of pause for a bit and not invest because you felt down because of it?
No, I'm fine. I'm absolutely fine. I'm okay. I'm relaxed. I never invest more than I can afford to lose, so I'm okay. I'm just okay. So maybe next time I should do my own research much deeper and something like this.
Similar to me, we started from stocks and transitioned into crypto also. I do maintain my stocks and crypto. Do you still maintain both, or you're just fully into crypto right now?
I'm fully into crypto now, just a little bit of stocks I still hold, such as Tesla also. Apple stocks that I absolutely just love. And that's it. Crypto real estate.
What made you believe that it was something that was real? It was something that had value, or a lot. When I started out, I thought that how could it have value? It's just computer, it's digital, it doesn't have anything tangible. What was your moment that you believed that this was something that was very important?
You know what is important for me as a crypto investor is that we can own our own money and investments 100%. No third party here. Like you can own your money, your Bitcoin, your any altcoins. So you can be the only owner, especially if you're using hardware wallet or something. You can own your money, your crypto, and you can travel with it, with your ledger. You can travel wherever you want. You don't have to tell anyone. And only your own money. That's what I love the most about it.
Do you get scared though? 2022 has been very interesting for crypto investors. We saw numerous crashes. We've seen similar projects go to zero. Do you get worried about that?
I don't know, guys. Maybe I'm so strange, but I'm not worried at all. I'm just zooming out the chart and I see how it goes over the time, and I'm also okay. So if you were getting worried about your investments, just zoom out and you will see a different picture.
You mentioned offline that you did very, very well in meme coins. When it's so hyped also, people get greedy and they don't know when to actually sell. How did you select the ones that you know were gonna perform, and then how did you know also to get out?
You just guys go to CoinGecko, CoinGecko. Go to CoinGecko, select meme coins, choose whatever you like, do your own research. Then of course you can buy it. This is not a financial advice, and don't hold meme coins for a long, long time. I can't tell you how long exactly you should hold meme coins, but I think no more than 1 month.
Oh wow, that's very fast. So
you should be fast. You shouldn't think that this coin is gonna change the world. Maybe Dogecoin will, or Shiba will. But no, you have to be fast in meme coins. You have to be fast. You have to do your own research. Go to the community sections like Twitter and stuff. See how many holders, how active the community is, and then just go.
Final words for people watching this. Anything that you want to convey to them, and then how can they follow you or subscribe to your channel? Guys, she's super popular. Subscribe to her.
But I will be popular one day. Go to the description, you will find the link to my channel, Maria Anderson Crypto Millionaire, because I'm an actual crypto millionaire now.
What do you want to impart to them?
Buy hardware wallet. If you don't know what is hardware wallet, Google it, type Ledger or any other. We have hundreds of different hardware wallets on the market. Go find yours, and actually you can go to my channel because I do a lot of hardware wallets unboxing, and check my videos. I'm unboxing different hardware wallets, review them, click all those funny buttons. So go check.
Okay, guys. So I'll put the links in the description below. You can follow her. I think your videos are very fun. Also, yeah, it's more entertaining, and so yeah, you get a lot from her. So thanks, guys. I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon. God bless you all.